Oh, hey dude, what's up? Hey Mr. DJ, can you play me Hente by J Balvin, the Felonious edited remix version draft number 2? Yeah dude, I got it, but draft number 2 is kinda slow, so you must be referring to the house remix made by Hartle back in 1995. Yeah, that one, but with additional vocals from Selena Gomez, which was additional remix by Kitchenada back in 2017. Oh, that version? Yeah dude, I got it. I have about 1,014 remixes of Mi Hente, so playing that song should be no problem at all. As a DJ, it's natural to think that you should have a lot of songs, that you should have almost everything to cater to almost any DJ situation. So you download and download and download, and so your musical library grows and grows and grows. And this all may seem good, that you're practically becoming Spotify in the flesh. But in application as a DJ, you're kinda setting yourself up for disaster. Because more songs does not equal better DJing. For me at least, it was actually quite the opposite. Now, before we continue on with the video, let me know in the comment section down below how many songs do you have? Because by the end of this video, you may want to have less. So I often found myself struggling to find the right song to play at the right time, and the thousands of songs I downloaded often just became cluttered in my musical library. I practically never played them and never used any of them, and they just consumed space on my hard drive and especially my head. It was like information data overload. Instead of being ready to play any of these songs I downloaded and paid for, I instead encountered difficulty in deciding what to play to cater to the live crowd. I was always debating in my head. Should I play the radio version, the DJ edited version, the remix version, or the edited remix radio version? It was just so much to think about. And so I had to learn the long and hard way that less is actually more, as cliche as it sounds. And I found that to be especially true now. You see, this new world we live in, where one can download thousands of songs in seconds, one kinda suffers from information overload on a daily basis. Things are just abundant, and so the new skill every modern DJ should have is the ability to effectively sort through a ton of music and keep the ones that they think they actually need and would use in a DJ set. A ton of songs does not equal better DJing, it's less. And cutting down your library is the key to DJing more effectively and efficiently with what you have. Now, deleting and not hoarding is extremely hard nowadays. But for me at the time, it was the right thing to do. And so when I realized this, I immediately went through my musical library and deleted about 20,000 songs. I painstakingly went through each one and asked myself the difficult question, do I really need this? Would I really play this? And most of the time, the answer was a big fat no. And so from 20,000 plus songs and a week later, I narrowed my musical library down to just 500 songs. And my DJing has never been better. I feel like I've been performing like a well-oiled machine because I was no longer intimidated by my library. Since I knew each song and their effectivity on the dance floor, I myself became more effective as a music selector. And moving forward, just to add on to that, I started downloading the songs I would really need, and I started to go through my musical library just to see and delete songs that didn't serve any purpose there. Now, everything I just said could get pretty misinterpreted, so let me just clarify things. I don't want you to delete all your music. I just want you to take a deeper look into your library and try to sort out what you really need. If you want to keep 1 million songs and entire catalogs and discographies of certain bands, genres, and artists because that makes you happy, then please go ahead and keep them. But if you're going through trouble finding and knowing what songs to play in certain events, then perhaps consider that less can actually be more, at least for your DJ musical library. Now, to end this video, let me quote Socrates because I want to seem smart and profound. The unexamined life is not worth living. And so in DJ terms, the unexamined DJ library is not worth playing. Now, deciding what that means is totally up to you because you're the DJ and hopefully now you're a more brave and self-aware one at that. Hey, you've made it to the end of the video, and the special question of the day is this. Would you ever DJ with songs from streaming sites like Spotify, SoundCloud, and Tidal? Or are you just more traditional in playing songs that you've already downloaded? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.